So you've got the upholstery tack strip here, and it's got a color on it.
And all we have is white.
A white piece of, yes, cloth. And
Just
it's been dampened.
Yeah. Tap water.
Yep, got it.
And I'm not going to scrub, rub, or anything. I'm just going to put my finger on it.
Got it. So in the midst of cleaning the back of a sofa, for example, or the side where the arm is, we have a little bit of dampness that comes out of our tools. And if it interacts with this upholstery tack strip, and if the tack strip is dyed, as they sometimes are, suddenly we'll start to see a color come up through the upholstery.
And you're already seeing it. It's how it is not color fast at all, this product.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see that would be the inside of the sofa.
Mm-hmm.
And then the outside. And when it starts doing that, you can't remove this because every time you try to treat it with a product that would remove it, it just picks up more and keeps pulling it through.
Right.
So.
Got it. No fun, but good to know.
Yeah,
Thanks.
no fun.